Shwmae a croeso I vlog yr wythnos yma. Hi and welcome to this week's vlog. To start off with some concerning news that some of our members have given us the intel on the fact that APHA have not been issuing post-movement TB testing requirement letters. Now, it seems to be that these letters have not been going out for at least a couple of months. So that is rather concerning for anybody who has bought in cattle over the last couple of months and that they are not sure whether those animals require a post-movement TB test. Now, please, if you can, and if you have bought cattle in the last couple of months, check if you think they do require a post-movement TB test. If you're not sure, or if you are having any issues, don't hesitate to contact your local county advisor, your group secretary, or any county office holder, and I'm sure we can help you out with that situation. Now, rest assured, we are in conversations with APHA to find out exactly what's happened and what's going on, and more to the point, why we weren't alerted to this as and when any issues did arise. Some other concerning news, and something that we are fully aware of, are the number of dairy farmers in Wales who have been served notice from their processors. Now, we understand obviously that this is a very worrying time for all affected, and we are supporting all our members in this situation as closely as we can. And if you are affected by this, please make sure that you take advantage of the services available to you through NFU and NFU Call First in particular. You'll see the number coming up on the screen. Please make sure that you contact NFU Call First. Our legal advisors are fully briefed on the matter and they are there to help you. In the meantime, we do continue dialogue with all the processors in this particular situation. Abby was over in Northern Ireland at the end of last week, where she met up with the other three presidents of the devolved nation farmers unions and took the opportunity as a group to discuss the implications and the problems the ongoing Iran war is having on our industry here in the UK. It's a timely reminder to any government in any corner of the UK that if there are any tools or interventions that they can use, they should do it so at the earliest opportunity, because we know full well as members the impact this is having on our businesses, be it through fertiliser or fuel prices or the availability of other inputs. So it's a timely reminder that all four nations are keeping the pressure up on the government. So given the impact and the uncertainty the Middle Eastern war is having on our industry, Abby and myself took the opportunity to meet up with Keith Smyton, who's a director with Welsh Food and Drink. This was a very opportune moment to meet with Keith and to discuss with him the impacts this conflict is having, not only on agriculture, but on the possible distribution and production of food here in Wales. One of the key messages I think we gave Keith was to make sure that the industry has to be resilient, not only the industry, but the whole distribution industry within food production. There must be resilience there. And obviously there are concerns that our livestock industry here in Wales is actually in decline, where indeed the demand for our products is actually going up. So there are key messages there for both ourselves and for government to play going forward in making sure that food production and food and drink in Wales is a priority and a very important industry for us. And to finish the vlog on a more positive note, last week saw the annual NFU High Achievers Awards dinner being held in London. And it was fabulous to see two of NFU Cymru's staff members, Aled Davis, who's a county advisor down in South West Wales, and also Simon Evans, who's a group secretary in the Llantrisiant office, be recognised for their achievements over the last year. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i'r ddau ohonoch chi. Congratulations to both of you, and also congratulations to all our NFU Cymru group secretaries who qualified for that event. Very often, our group secretaries and the group offices up and down the country here in Wales are the first port of call for our members and show you how vitally important these are to the way that we work as NFU Cymru. So I very much look forward to seeing you all in the next vlog, but I believe Abby will be with you next week to give you an industry update.